Today we are introducing you Honeywell STT850 Heart Instrument Module, Display Module and Power Module Replacement Procedure. Open the front cover, connect the module, tightly insert the pin. Next, connect the display. Next, remove the back cover. Insert the power terminal module. Okay, terminal block tightened. Yellow cable connected terminal number 9. Next, common cable black cable connected to number 8. White cable connected number 5. Red connected number 6. Red connected number 7. Next, sensor 2 cable, yellow cable connected number 9 and common cable connected 8 and 7. Next, we are testing the performance test. First, connect the positive line. Next, negative line. Field communicator menu. Then select the heart. Your power applied from the Trex unit. Then yes, select the transmitter. Now transmitter is power on. Volume address actually not required. No. Now ambient temperature is showing sensor 1 and sensor 2 23 degree PV value. This is the normal scenario for STT850 Honeywell Heart Instrument Module Replacement Procedure.